Hey, everybody! I have a big announcement today. Huge announcement. So let me ask you this question. Quick question. Do you know anyone who has a cell phone? I know. You may have to sit and think about that one for a while. So let me ask you this question now. What if you could make a commission every single time your friends pay their monthly subscription on their cell phones? How would you like that? And you don't have to sell them anything. You have to give them. All you have to do is give them something. So hear me out. Listen. So if you've been watching me for any amount of time, or since April, you know that I have been talking a lot about travel savings. And maybe you're like, well, that's cool for you, Liz. You can make a business out of helping people travel, but I don't know that many people who travel. First of all, travel's an $8 trillion industry, so you might want to rethink that one. But let's talk. So very soon, our company is adding Boom Mobile. They're trying to roll it out next month. Can't make any promises. So sometime in the next couple months, we're going to be rolling out Boom Mobile, which is going to be a flat rate, free unlimited calls and texts type thing for mobile phone service. Okay? So it's going to save people money on their mobile phone service. We're also rolling out ride sharing, which is going to be a company called Vibe, which is like Lyft or Uber, only we're going to pay our drivers more. And get this, what if you could earn a commission every single time one of your friends takes a ride in Vibe Ride? So get this. I just want y'all to understand what it is that I do. So what I do is I give people a free website where they could go save money on travel, save money on activities like bowling, stuff like that, save money, restaurant savings, rental cars, cruises, hotels, okay? Soon, they're going to be able to save on their mobile phone bill. And then soon, they're going to be able to save on ride sharing. And get this, we're going to be adding more savings as our company develops. The company is only 6 months old right now, guys. Travel was just the beginning. All I do is give away the free websites. They use the websites to save money. When they save money, I earn a commission. There's no selling. There's no auto ships. There's no replacing your customers all the time because they quit, because they decide they don't like your product or they found it on Amazon or whatever. Nothing. People aren't going to leave and go somewhere else because they're saving money on your site. Are you hearing what I'm saying? Oh my gosh. Do you hear the words that are coming out of my mouth? So, if you're intrigued, I have an opportunity for you, okay? Number one, if you would like a free website just to check it out, to say, oh my gosh, Liz, I don't know if I believe you. How could this really be free? All you've got to do is comment down below, I want a free site. And I will send you a code to give you your own free site so you can see that it's 100% free to try, and free to keep forever, no catches. And then, if you would like more information on the business opportunity, say, I want more info, and I will give you more information about that. Okay, that's really all there is. That's my entire pitch right there. Love you guys. If you're watching on YouTube, I'll have the information in the description down below. Have a great day. Hope to see you inside the group. Bye-bye.